Standard link code is an extremely secure way to access a database from a web page. Link will automatically ensure that users cannot gain unauthorized access to your database. If you send SQL code directly to the database, either through link or by using the SQL client classes, you may be vulnerable to a hacker using a SQL injection attack. You'll learn about SQL injection attacks and how to prevent them in this lesson. To begin, open the SecFile project from your Sample Files folder. And view useradmin.aspx in your web browser. In the text box, enter Jeff K. In this example, when the user Jeff K is added to the database, Link will automatically generate the following SQL code. Insert into secure username, values Jeff K. You're now going to attempt a SQL injection attack. In the text box, enter Jeff K, single inverted commas, end bracket, delete from secure user, select, begin bracket, single inverted commas. This is a typical SQL injection attack. If this page was insecure, the SQL code would be passed to your database, resulting in the following query being executed. Insert into secure username, values Jeff K, delete from secure user, select. If this code was sent to your database, it would delete the entire contents of the secure users table. A malicious user could use this vulnerability to take complete control of your database. Click Add User now. The SQL injection attack fails. Link completely protects you from SQL injection attacks. You're now going to make this application vulnerable to a SQL injection attack. Close your web browser and open the code behind file of useradmin.aspx. Now remove all of the link code from the using statement, but leave the call to the gridViewSecureUsers.dataBind method in place. Now add the following code at the start of the using statement. Data.execute command, insert into dbo.secureuser, secure username, values, begin brackets, begin single inverted commas, plus text box new username dot text plus end single inverted commas, end brackets. This code sends the SQL code directly to the database, without applying any of Link's security to it. Your code is now vulnerable to a SQL injection attack. You're now going to successfully carry out a SQL injection attack. View useradmin.aspx in your web browser. And in the text box, enter the SQL injection code. That's Jeff K, single inverted commas, end brackets, delete from secure user, select, begin brackets, single inverted commas. and click Add User. This time, the SQL injection attack succeeds, and all of the users are deleted from the database. Malicious users are constantly attempting SQL injection attacks on websites across the Internet. You should always be careful to avoid code that could leave your site vulnerable. The best way to prevent SQL injection attacks is to avoid sending SQL code directly to the database. If you always use standard link or stored procedures, you should never be vulnerable to SQL injection attacks. Close your web browser now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 9.11. Understand SQL injection attacks.